If you're a retailer, you know the holidays can be both busy and stressful. At the same time, they are the perfect opportunity to increase your sales by capturing new customers and exciting your existing customers. Last year, we saw 3 key trends in the retail industry that continue to hold true today. First, the retail industry had its largest season ever, with e-commerce sales reaching their strongest growth in over a decade. In fact, more than half of the purchases during the holiday season occurred online. Second, there was also a more dramatic shift to mobile. With the rise of smartphones and the emergence of new apps and mobile platforms, consumers have changed how they shop. Third, despite the shift to e-commerce, in-store shopping is maintaining popularity. This year, we saw searches for on sale near me increase 250% since 2017, which tells us that local shoppers are constantly hunting for local deals. In short, consumers are turning to brands that have a personalized, frictionless, and relevant shopping experience online and on the go. This is why it's really important to prepare early for this holiday season. During this time of heightened traffic to your website and storefront, you'll need to take steps to uniquely position your brand to stand out from the competition. So, how can you ensure your brand will rise above the noise? In this video, we'll share tips to unlock holiday retail success. Let's begin by setting your holiday game plan to ensure you have a strong foundation in place to drive both online and offline discovery. First, consider dates, budgets, and goals. Whether your customers end up buying in stores or online, most holiday shopping is planned in advance. They're making their list and checking it twice. Check search trends for your industry to understand when holiday demand begins. And remember, shopping demand maintains into the new year. For many people, myself included, holiday shopping takes place after the actual holiday. So make sure you're setting flexible and sustainable budgets across your campaigns. To do this, examine your historical spend and take into account year-on-year trends. The date comparison feature within Google Ads is great for this. Set short-term marketing goals with clearly defined KPIs based on last year's performance and this year's projected demand. Ensure you're tracking these metrics accurately so you can tie your return on investment back to your marketing goals. Next, let's talk about how you can drive online discovery by building your digital storefront. This is especially important for retailers during the holidays as you look to reach new customers and deliver the best experience in order to close the deal. Shopping ads are a visually compelling way to draw in your customers. Remember that your product feed data shapes the way your ads behave and perform. Identify opportunities to improve your feed health and data quality by ensuring you have descriptive titles, compelling imagery, up-to-date pricing, and that product landing pages are added to the feed. Be sure to keep your feed up to date with your product availability so that in-stock and out-of-stock items are accurately displayed for customers. Using shopping campaigns will establish your presence when shoppers are searching for your products. Today's shoppers are always online, and they are very specific about what they are searching for. Searches such as women's red ballet flats or firm memory foam mattresses are not uncommon. In order to efficiently show customers the most relevant ads across all Google networks, you'll want to create a smart shopping campaign. This type of campaign uses a combination of signals to ensure you're presenting the right message to the right shopper at the right time. It enables you to promote your online and offline inventory, boost traffic to your website or local store, and drive sales. The system pulls data from your product feed and tests different combinations of the creative assets that you provide, such as the logo, images, and text. Creative testing ensures that your highest performing ad will show more often across platforms such as search, YouTube, display, and Gmail. To help you get the best value from each ad placement and bidding are automated for maximum conversion value at your given budget by default. Remember that smart shopping campaigns help you maximize holiday sales during these seasonal periods. Retailers have seen more than a 30% increase in conversion value on average when using smart shopping campaigns over popular days such as Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Some shoppers don't know exactly what they're looking for and search for broad queries like holiday decor or kids' gift ideas. In order to reach those broader queries, you can promote your brand and products earlier in the purchase journey using showcase shopping ads. These ads show relevant products together with lifestyle images that you choose to represent your brand or business. When someone clicks a showcase shopping ad, it expands, revealing the products you sell that are most relevant to the search terms they've used, which you connect to the ad using product groups. They are great for brand discovery and for reaching people who want to explore your products. Finally, if you have a physical store location, let's look at how you can drive offline discovery of your products and physical stores. After the shipping cutoffs pass, last-minute shoppers will turn to local stores to find what they need. This creates the perfect opportunity to drive nearby customers to your store. The rule of thumb here is to make it as easy as possible for people to find your store locations and inventory. To do this, ensure you're displaying the most up-to-date store information, including holiday or special hours, phone numbers, and photos on Google using your Google My Business account. Also, be sure to create a post if you're holding holiday events or offering special services like gift wrapping in order to keep customers up to date on offers. Once you've updated your Google My Business account, you'll want to confirm it's linked to your Google Ads in order to take advantage of local extensions. Local extensions enable nearby shoppers to discover your storefront, even when they're not explicitly searching for it. For example, a shopper might search for a best gift for kids, intending to purchase online, only to realize there is a store nearby and purchases that way instead. To specifically optimize for store visits, you can use local campaigns, which will unlock access to exclusive ad inventory on Google Maps. To do this, select your business locations, campaign budget, ad creative, and optionally, the value that a store visit is worth. Google Ads uses machine learning to automatically optimize bids, ad placements, and creative combinations with a targeted goal of driving people to your stores. You can also promote store inventory using local inventory ads to drive both online and in-store sales by showcasing your products in stores to nearby shoppers searching on Google. When shoppers click your ad, they arrive on a Google-hosted page for your store called Local Storefront. Shoppers use Local Storefront to view in-store inventory, get store hours, find directions, and more. These are great for retailers that have brick-and-mortar stores. Running local inventory ads together with shopping ads can help you drive more sales for your business. The holidays can be a hectic time. Use the months before the peak season to build awareness and traffic while testing new tactics to find growth opportunities. When the holidays hit, you'll have a strong foundation to propel your business forward by connecting with more shoppers and driving sales. Remember, set your campaigns as early as possible to ensure the most success this holiday season. For more holiday readiness videos, check out the Google Ads YouTube channel.